What are the various types of streams in Node.js?
In Node.js, there are 4 fundamental types of streams. 1. Readable, used for reading large chunks of data from the source. 2. Writable, used for writing large chunks of data to the destination. 3. Duplex, used for both the functions, read and write. 4. Transform, it is a duplex stream that is used for modifying the data.
What is the use of Node_env?
If the project is in the production stage, Node.js promotes the convention of making use of Node_env variable to flag it. This helps in taking better judgment during the development of the projects. Also, when you set your Node_env to production, your application tends to perform 3 times faster.
Differentiate between readFile versus createReadStream in Node.js.
Node.js provides 2 ways to read and execute files, which are using readFile and createStream. readFile is a fully buffered process which returns the response only when the complete file is pushed into the buffer and is read. It is a memory-intensive process, and in case of large files, the processing can be very slow. Whereas createReadStream is a partially buffered which treats the entire process as an event's errors. The entire file is split into chunks which are then processed and sent back as a response one by one. Once done, they are finally removed from the buffer. Unlike readFile, createReadStream is really effective for the processing of the large files.
List down the various timing features of Node.js.
Node.js provides a timers module which contains various functions for executing the code after a specified period of time. Below I have listed down the various functions provided by this module. 1. Set timeout/clear timeout, used to schedule code execution after a designated amount of milliseconds. 2. Set interval/clear interval, used to execute a block of code multiple times. 3. Set immediate/clear immediate, used to execute code at the end of the current event loop cycle. 4. Process.nextTick, used to schedule a callback function that needs to be invoked in the next iteration of the event loop.
Explain the concept of Punycode in Node.js.
In Node.js, Punycode is an encoding syntax that is used for converting Unicode, UTF-8, string of characters into a basic ASCII string of characters. It is important as the host names can only understand the ASCII characters. Thus, Node.js version 0.6.2 onwards, it was bundled up with the default Node package. If you want to use it with any previous versions, you can easily do that by using the following code.